up with something I've never done before. This is Meal Maker. 3 ingredients, my brain, your meal. Block of dark chocolate, nuts and peanut butter. Okay, let's just make some peanut butter chocolate balls. The reason why is because this is the kind of thing that's perfect for school holiday cooking, because you can use your induction cooktop, which is nice and safe for cooking with kids. You boil a third of a pot of water, you switch off the heat, and then you add a metal bowl on top with your broken up dark chocolate. You melt that down. Then you're going to mix through your peanut butter of choice. I'm all about super crunchy. And then you're going to pinch of salt, always, to sort of lift out the sweetness, balance it out. Then you're going to roll it in your crushed up nuts and let it set in the fridge. That's like a 15-minute easy dessert, and kids will so be proud and they'll want to go back into the kitchen again. You know what? If you're worried about using your cooktop with, say, your 6-year-old, you can also melt the chocolate in the microwave. Just zap it at 30-second intervals, bring the bowl out, give it a stir, and then put it back in using a heat-proof glass bowl. If you're after some meal maker magic, come into the Good Guys for all your meal making needs.